Hey all, in one of the previous lectures, we saw GDP is a monetary measure. That means it's calculated by multiplying the price and quantity and summing up for all goods. I am going to use this concept to explain nominal gross domestic product and real gross domestic product. Okay, nominal gross domestic product, the formula I'm going to use to calculate is this will be equal to current price. With that, I multiply the current quantity, and real gross domestic product I'm going to calculate by multiplying the base year price to the current quantity. What is common in both is the current quantity. What's different for nominal and between nominal and real gross domestic product is nominal we have current prices, real we have base year prices. The next slide is just a formula here and is telling me price index in a given year is price of the market basket in a specific year over the price of the market basket in the base year times 100. This is formula number 1. Formula number 2, they are telling us real GDP is nominal GDP over price index in hundreds. So in hundreds means is divided by 100. So doing some cross multiplication, some adjustments, I get another formula for the price index, and the price index is equal to nominal gross domestic product. I divide this by real gross domestic product, then I will multiply the whole thing by 1 times 100. Take a look at this slide very carefully. This one's telling me the base year, or other way to say talk about the base year is this is also the starting year. The base year or the starting year is year 1, and we are just using one good here, which is pizza, and we have years 1 to 5 in this example. It's telling me year 1 price is $1, quantity being sold is 5 units. So price index is basically, I'm going to show you, it's telling me the price index is 100. So basically price index is nominal over real gross domestic product times 100. So this is what I got from this formula number 2 here. Price index is nominal over real gross domestic product. I'm just multiplying the whole thing times 100. So let me see how everything works out here. I know this is still very confusing for all, probably for everyone. So how do you find the nominal gross domestic product? Nominal is current price times current quantity. The real is base year price times current quantity. But if I have year 1, which is the base year, for the base year we will have nominal gross domestic product equal to the real gross domestic product. Okay, Now take a look at year 2 here. Quantity is 7. The price is equal to 20. Now to find out the nominal gross domestic product, what I'm doing here is I got this 140 by multiplying. I'm just gonna start with the price first. The price is 20, quantity is 7, so I get 140. The 70 for real gross domestic product. This one I'm not using this $20 price, but I'm using the base year price, which is $10. So my base year price is $10 here, unlike the current price which I use for calculating nominal gross domestic product. Multiplying this times 7, what I get here is equal to 70. Does this make sense? And this 200 I get by 140 over 70, the whole thing times 100. Now again, this 200 I'm getting by multiplying current price times current quantity, which is 8. This 80 I'm getting by multiplying 10 times 8, and I get 80. This price $10. This is the base year price. I'm going to use this always to calculate the real gross domestic product. So basically the price is fixed for calculating real gross domestic product. Now can you fill up the blanks here? Alright, let me do this for you really quickly. This one's gonna be 30 times 10, so 300. This one's gonna be 10. That means the price, which is $10 from year 1. I'm going to multiply this times 10. I get 100. This one's going to be 300 over 100 times 100 equal to 300. This one's gonna be 28 times 11. So out with our calculators right now. Right, so I'm gonna just say this one's 28 times 11. That turns out to be 308. There. And this one's gonna be equal to 10 times 11. That's gonna be 110. So we have 308 over 110 times 100. So this one's 308 nominal over real times 100, just strictly following the formula here. This is equal to 280. Okay, this is how we do all the calculation here. You can really do this slide by yourself. I have the nominal given to me, I have the real given to me. This blank will be 7664 over 10167.3 times 100. So please use formula number 2 for price index to fill up all the blanks here. That's all about real and nominal gross domestic product. Thanks for listening. Hope this makes things clear.